We love the fact this is going to be in the Far East Side.
Phalen Leadership Academies CEO and founder Earl Martin Phalen happily announced a new workforce development program for all adult family members of PLA students.
A credentialing program that also helps with some of the soft skills and prepares them to enter jobs that are usually start at about $30,000 to $50,000 per year plus benefits.
Phalen says one or more adult family members of scholars can take advantage of this free training.
Make $30,000 or $40,000. Now you have a household income that you don't have to wait for the mayor. You don't have to wait for any legislator to fix it.
PLA University partners with local industries to train and credential people in technology, advanced manufacturing, supply chain and logistics management, and health and life sciences. The program begins in March, and 250 people are invited to join the first group.
An 80% placement is our goal, and 80% retention after a year is our second goal.
CAFE, Community Alliance of the Far East Side, began a quality of life plan in March with hopes of landing more opportunities.
That is important for the residents and the families in the community to feel a sense of ownership.
CAFE says they're focusing their economic development goals along 38th Street, from Mithofer all the way up to Arlington Avenue.
There are not a ton of businesses that have the high wage. So we're looking to attract businesses to our community that are easy and accessible for residents to get to.
The spaces are available. Now the community hopes they will fill with good jobs soon.
It's really important not only from the employable side, but also just to drive the economic growth of the Far East Side in general.
Courtney Crown, CBS 4 News.
The Community Alliance of the Far East Side worked on a quality of life plan this year. This gave them an idea of what spaces were available for economic growth and what kind of workforce businesses would need to fill jobs. Now, if you'd like more information on the program, visit cbs4indy.com.